my name's Alex, and I'm going to show you how to make text mirror reflections in Photoshop. So I have my text here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it. So there's a couple ways you can do this. The way I like to do is just holding down Option and then dragging it, and then it makes a direct copy of it. And then here in your Layers panel, it's actually going to make a copy itself. So what I do is right-click and rasterize type, and that way you can actually directly edit it. So then I'm going to use the Marquee tool, and then I'm going to right-click that, and I'm going to free transform. And then I'm going to flip horizontal and then flip vertical. So that way, actually I'll flip back horizontal again. So just flip vertical. And then kind of match it up with the text. And then you want to right-click, and then you can distort. And what this is going to allow you to do is kind of stretch it out like this, like so. So that way you can get sort of a extended shadow / reflection. And there's your mirrored text. My name is Alex, and this is making mirrored text in Photoshop. Thank you.